Hi guys, welcome back to Eduate channel. Today we are discussing about the job career options. That is post graduation after BVSc. Everybody has got a doubt. That is how much PG seats are there, how many exams you have to write for getting PG seats in desired department and all. So we'll be dealing with the post graduation after BVSc. That is the MVSc. So moving to the state PG examinations. So first of all, TANUAS, that is Tamil Nadu University of Veterinary and Animal Science, they are conducting admission to PG courses by TANUAS exam. That is, they will be conducting a separate exam for the state PG seats. They will be conducting the exam uh, in an offline mode, and you have to write the examination. And for seat allotment process, you have to go for the counseling and all. So they will be having a priority for their students. That is, who has got UG from Tanvas will be having a great importance whenever they are writing in Tanvas PG. So they will be admitting more Tanvas students from the UG itself, and then will be taking the other state students. Also in Gadwasu, that is in Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Science University. So outside Kerala, every university will be having priority for their UG students, and after all, they will be admitting their PG, other states PG students. So about Kerala PG, it's conducted by Kerala Veterinary and Animal Science University, and the duration of exam is 1 hour. Number of questions will be 100. Offline exam is conducted at both campuses in Pukot and Manoti. Sometimes it may change, and all questions from the UG degree will be asked. There is no separate division of animal husbandry, veterinary science like that. All questions from the BVSc and AH syllabus will be asked. That is around 19 syllabus, 19 courses. So no negative marking, so that you can write 100. You can also write all questions, and if you have got luck, you will get the seat. And moving to the ICR PG, it's actually by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research. They are conducting the PG for examination under NTA, National Testing Agency. Mainly three streams, that is veterinary science, animal science, and animal biotechnology. So for veterinary science, there are 10 disciplines, 246 seats, and 35 GRF. For animal science, 10 disciplines, 210 seats, and 23 GRF. And for animal biotechnology, there are only 2 disciplines and 54 seats and 8 JRs. So rules are general eligibility criteria in appearing AIEEE PG. That is, you should have to have a OGPA that is at least 6.6 for the general caste, and for SC/ST and differently abled, it will be 5.6. And you have to complete the internship, that is CRRI, before the date of admission allowed in the university. Or if you are getting JRF, you will be having a sufficient scholarship for studying. And also several institutions are providing their scholarships for the students. Many institutions like IVRI, NDRI, Gadwasu, and SBVU, many institutions are producing scholarship examinations, and if you are passing in the scholarship test, you can avail the scholarship. In some institution, they provide paid project work in the second year of the master's degree. That is, you will be working as an assistant for any research purpose. You will be assisting as a research assistant, and you will be get paid, and you can also have the name in your CV. So moving to the veterinary science, you have to study for the veterinary science stream. You have to study veterinary anatomy, gynecology, medicine, parasitology, pharmacology, pathology, wildlife science, microbiology, surgery, and public health. So these are the 10 disciplines in veterinary science, and these are the 10 departments you can avail seat in ICR exam in veterinary science. So seat distribution is, that is, we have discussed that 246 seats are there and 35 JRF. So this is the distribution of seats. This is ICR all India seats. You can get or you can get an ICR, that is, you can get an IVRI, you can get an NDRI, you can get another famous institutions which have ICR seats. So microbiology has got 1 seat for immunology. That's very important. So these are the books which can be used to prepare for veterinary science stream examination. That's VetScan, VetRapidex, Question Bank on Veterinary Science. So these are the books which you can rely on, and you can study for the exam. So the Gantiya Shastri, which is will be very useful for the pathology, and A. Venugopalan surgery notebook, Archigoch anatomy. So moving to the animal science. This is the second stream, that is animal husbandry, dairy science, genetics, nutrition, animal physiology, livestock production management and livestock products technology, poultry science, extension examinations, livestock and animal husbandry economics, and biostatics. These are the 10 streams. So you can see the seed distribution and number of JRF. So for the animal science, you'll be having LPM, extension, and AGB, LPT, and nutrition will be having the more weightage. And the second weightage is for poultry, physiology, biostatics, and the animal reproduction part. These are the animal science books you can rely on. The animal science refresher, Annie Scan, GC Banerjee, biochemistry, Q, meat technology books. So this is a very important book, the Handbook of Animal Husbandry. You'll be having the very details and the statistical economical values. You have to study them. These are the books used for animal science. So moving to the animal biotechnology in the third stream, you'll be having 2 disciplines, 54 seats and 8 JRF. Animal biotechnology and veterinary animal biochemistry. Biotechnology seed distribution is actually this. So these are the books used in biochemistry and the biotechnology stream. Life Sciences by Pranav Kumar is very important book. So also you can use Lippincot's book. So now the question banks. Many colleges and universities have started preparing study materials for the graduates to crack the ICR, PG and JRF and avail a good scholarship and study in a very reputed institutions. So this is Tamil Nadu question bank. These are the KVAFCU question bank. So NDRI book and question bank on Dhruv and Desai. This is a very important book. You can completely rely on this book. This is DVM doctors, and this is the Karnataka another PDF. These are the books you can rely on. So this is the mode of examination. That is, you will be having a computer-based test. Duration will be 120 minutes. Vowels and number of questions will be 120. 120 minutes for 120 questions. That is, each question has got 1 minute. The type of questions will be MCQ, and the scoring is whenever you have got a question correct, you will be getting 4 marks. If at all you are making a wrong attempt, that is negative, will be having negative 1 mark. Medium of paper is English only. So you have to take the risk because you'll be getting 4 marks for the correct answer and 0 for the non attempted and negative 1 for the false answer. See, all the best. And if at all you want any of the PDF, I'll be giving the link in the description box. You can download all the PDFs which I have shown in this video and you can use it for the ICS. Thank you.